In this lesson, we learn how to create post content using ChatGPT, create images using Canva, and also we'll focus on implementing schema markup. Let's start. After logging to the ChatGPT, we'll type write online BLSCK black paper shopping offer Shillong on reflip.com. Right, blog. Okay, then hit enter. The content is ready here, right? To make it really SEO friendly, if you have Grammarly Pro, then that is great. Otherwise, you can try Grammarly free version. Copy the content from ChatGPT, add new, paste it here, and from this option we can convince one. Everything is okay. Here little changes. Organic flavor. The title will be a little bit changed. Okay, we'll copy this from Grammarly and then we'll go to dashboard. We'll paste it here. We'll remove introduction option. We'll copy entire title. We'll check if the length is not supporting SEO. Okay, till Shillong it is okay. Remember one thing, always try to put your URL domain name here in SEO description. So we clicked on add new post. We added description to be optimized yet. So first we'll add the post title here. So the URL is automatically generated. We can copy it from here. And first we'll keep it in a H2 tag. We'll copy the title again and we'll paste it here. Colon and we'll make it italic. To beautify it, we can change the color in red, bold it. Okay, this one is done. This one we can keep it in H3 and this one H4, this one H5, this one H6 is not important, so again we'll come to H3. Conclusion will come to H6, that is okay. Great. Click here. We'll copy the URL of the image, so we do not need to write again and again. We'll go to Canva. We'll search for black paper. Okay, we have got a black paper image. We'll click it. Size is 100. That is okay for a blog post. Paste the image URL. Again we'll go to dashboard. We'll copy the title. Click right. Go to properties. Select. Remove. Select all. Remove. Okay. And then we'll paste the title. Tags. Now we'll upload this in the next video and we'll see how to implement schema markup and how to optimize it so that we can rank. See you in the next video.